Today we're turning fabric scraps into a cozy corner bookmark. To start, cut 3 fabric squares, each measuring 4 inches by 4 inches. Take one square and fold it in half diagonally, matching corner to form a triangle. Sew a top stitch along the folded edge using a 1/8 inch seam allowance. This piece will create the pocket for the bookmark. Next, place the 2 remaining squares right sides together. Place the folded triangle between them, positioning it in the upper right-hand corner with all raw edges lined up. Pin or clip everything in place to keep the layers from shifting. Sew around the entire square using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, leaving about a 1 inch opening along the bottom edge for turning. Be sure to backstitch at the beginning and end. When you reach a corner, stop sewing about 1/4 inch from the edge. With the needle down in the fabric, lift the presser foot and turn your fabric 90 degrees to line up the next side. If you have a computerized machine, you can use the needle down button, or you can turn the hand wheel toward you until the needle is in the down position. Lower the presser foot and continue sewing. Repeat this at each corner. Once sewn, carefully trim all 4 corners, making sure not to cut into the stitching. This helps reduce bulk and gives cleaner corners. Flip the bookmark right side out through the opening. Using a blunt tool, here I'm using a small flathead screwdriver, gently push out the corners until they are nice and square. Press the bookmark flat with an iron, making sure the raw edges of the opening are tucked inside so everything lies clean and even. To finish, sew a top stitch around the entire square using a 1/8 inch seam allowance. This closes the opening and gives the bookmark a clean, finished look. All of the sewing items used in this project are linked in the description below and are available on Amazon.